Hey, tech enthusiasts! Have you ever wondered what happens behind the scenes when you type a web address into your browser? Today I'm breaking down the magic of recursive DNS servers in just 3 minutes. Ready? Let's dive in. So what exactly is a recursive DNS server? Think of it as your personal internet detective. When you type in a website like example.com, your computer doesn't actually know where that is. It needs an IP address, like a phone number for websites. That's where the DNS, domain name system, comes in. Your computer sends a request to the recursive DNS server to find that IP address. Here's where the detective work begins. The recursive DNS server first checks its own cache to see if it already knows the IP address. If it's already got it, boom! It sends it back to your computer and you're surfing the web. But what if the IP address isn't in its cache? No worries, the recursive DNS server goes on a mission. It queries other DNS servers to find the answer. First, it asks a root DNS server, which points it to a top-level domain, TLD server, like .com or .org. Next, it asks the TLD server for the exact domain's DNS server. Finally, it reaches the authoritative DNS server, which knows the IP address of the website you're looking for. Got it? Root DNS server to TLD server to authoritative DNS server. It's like following a trail of clues. Once the recursive DNS server gets the IP address, it sends it back to your computer. Your browser then uses this IP to load the website. All this happens in milliseconds. Amazing, right? Now, why is this important? Well, a fast and reliable recursive DNS server can significantly speed up your internet experience. Ever wonder why some ISPs are faster than others? Their DNS servers play a big role. You can even use third-party DNS services like Google DNS or Cloudflare for potentially better performance and security. So, next time you're browsing, remember the unsung hero working behind the scenes, the recursive DNS server. It's the internet's very own Sherlock Holmes. Alright, tech enthusiasts, that's it for today's quick dive into recursive DNS servers. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. Thanks for watching. Stay tech savvy.